Step 1. Open an account. Client or depositor opens an account with the repository participant. Step 2. Deposit goods in warehouse. The client deposits the goods in an NCCL-approved warehouse. Clients can use the web-based online warehouse space reservation facility to check availability and book space in the warehouse of their choice. Step 3. Sampling and lab test. The NCCL-approved assayer takes samples. Sampling is usually done from all bags. Samples collected from all bags are mixed together and is divided into 4 parts and distributed among the depositor, warehouse service provider, and the remaining 2 are for the assaying lab, 1 for analysis and other for record. The lab checks for quality norms are as per the specifications prescribed by NCDEX. The assaying labs are NABL accredited labs. Step 4. Goods deliverable at exchange. If goods are rejected on the specified norms, the concerned officer will inform the depositor. Then the depositor has to withdraw the rejected goods as per the guidelines issued by NCCL. If goods are approved, then the physical stocks in electronic form (ENWR) is credited in client account with RP. Electronically credited goods are deliverable on exchange platform. This is the complete process of depositing goods at exchange. Thanks for watching this video. For more information, email us on askus@ncdex.com or call us at 1800 266 2339.